A world-class ferry, proudly built in the Philippines, is making waves across the globe. The Horizon X, a next-generation vessel, has captured the attention of shipping experts, environmentalists, and industry leaders. Its launch from Austal Cebu's shipyard is being hailed as a milestone, not just for the company, but for the entire Philippine maritime industry. International headlines call Horizon X a game-changer in green ship technology. This news has brought a sense of pride to Filipinos everywhere. The story of Horizon X is now featured in newspapers, websites, and TV reports in Europe, Asia, and beyond. People are amazed that such an advanced ship, built to strict European standards, was constructed by Filipino hands on Philippine soil. The world is taking notice of what Filipino talent can achieve when given the opportunity and the tools to shine. As the vessel sets sail for Sweden, it also carries the hopes of many Filipinos. Horizon X is more than a ferry. It is a symbol of how the Philippines can compete and lead in high-tech industries. The excitement is real, and well-deserved. The Horizon X project began as a bold idea between Swedish ferry operator Gotland Company and Austal Philippines. Gotland wanted a vessel that was greener, smarter, and more efficient than anything on the market. They searched the world for a shipbuilder who could turn this vision into reality. Their search led them to Cebu, where Austal had built a reputation for quality and innovation. The partnership became a true meeting of minds. Swedish engineers and Filipino designers worked side by side, sharing ideas and expertise. The plan was clear: to set a new standard for passenger ferries and show what international teamwork can achieve. Every detail, from the hull shape to the onboard systems, was carefully planned. The ship's construction brought together advanced Swedish technology and Filipino craftsmanship. Regular video calls, technical exchanges, and hands-on workshops helped bridge the distance between Cebu and Stockholm. The teamwork was seamless, and the result was a ferry unlike any other. Horizon X proved that when nations combine strengths, they can achieve the extraordinary. For both Sweden and the Philippines, it was a partnership built on trust, respect, and a shared vision for the future. For many in Europe, it was a surprise to learn that Horizon X was being built in the Philippines. Traditionally, European ferries are constructed in shipyards closer to home, such as in Finland or Germany, but Gotland Company saw something special in Austal Cebu. They recognized the skills, dedication, and cost-effectiveness of Filipino shipbuilders. Choosing Cebu was a bold move. It challenged the old assumptions about where world-class ships can be built. Filipino workers with years of experience building high-speed vessels were ready for the challenge. The location also brought practical benefits: a modern facility, a skilled workforce, and a growing reputation for delivering on time and on budget. The decision paid off. Not only was Horizon X delivered on schedule, but it also met Europe's highest quality standards. This success has made shipping companies around the world look at the Philippines in a new light. Building in Cebu proved that Filipino talent is world-class. It also showed that innovation knows no borders, and that Filipino hands can turn ambitious dreams into reality. Horizon X is not just another ferry. It is packed with green technology that sets it apart from older vessels. From the start, the goal was clear: build a ship that is kind to the environment without sacrificing performance or comfort. The result is a vessel that leads the way in sustainable sea travel. One of the most important features is hydrogen readiness. Horizon X is designed to run on hydrogen fuel in the future, which means zero emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Right now, it uses state-of-the-art hybrid engines and energy-efficient systems. Solar panels, LED lighting, and advanced water treatment all help reduce waste and save energy. The ship's sleek design is not just for looks. It cuts through water with less resistance, saving fuel and reducing noise. Passengers enjoy smooth, quiet rides while knowing their trip is eco-friendly. Every system on board, from navigation to heating, was chosen for efficiency. Horizon X is a model for the future of shipping. By using the latest green technology, it proves that comfort, speed, and sustainability can go hand in hand. And Filipino shipbuilders are leading the way. Behind every bolt and beam of Horizon X is honestly the skill and dedication of Filipino shipbuilders. At Austal Cebu, workers are trained to use the latest tools and techniques in global shipbuilding. Their work is precise, careful, and always up to the highest standards. The team includes welders, electricians, engineers, and designers. Many have spent years perfecting their craft, learning both traditional skills and modern methods. They use advanced welding robots, digital design software, and real-time quality checks. These tools allow them to build complex vessels with speed and accuracy. Teamwork is, really, at the heart of the shipyard. Workers share knowledge and help each other solve problems. Safety and quality are always the top priorities. Every worker knows that their job is important. Horizon X's success depends on their skills. Filipino shipbuilders are not just laborers, they are professionals who take pride in their work. They have shown that given the right opportunity, they can match and even surpass the best in the world. Building a ferry for the European market is no easy task. Europe has some of the world's strictest safety, environmental, and quality standards. Every detail, from fire safety to passenger comfort, is checked and double-checked. For Austal Cebu, this was both a challenge and a chance to prove what Filipinos can do. The shipyard invested in special training and new equipment to meet these standards. Filipino engineers worked closely with European inspectors throughout the build. Every system was tested, from the engines to emergency alarms. The result, Horizon X passed every inspection with flying colors. This achievement was not just about following rules, it was about setting new benchmarks for quality and reliability. Filipino workers learned new techniques and shared their own ideas for improvement. The process became a true exchange of knowledge. Horizon X stands as proof that Filipino expertise is up to any challenge. With the right support, Filipino shipbuilders can deliver excellence at the highest level. Horizon X's success is more than a business story. It is a moment of national pride. For too long, many believed that only foreign shipyards could build world-class vessels. Horizon X shatters that myth. It shows the world that the Philippine flag belongs on the global shipbuilding stage. The project has caught the attention of ship owners and industry leaders worldwide. Companies in Europe, Asia, and the Americas are now considering the Philippines for their next builds. The Philippine government has praised the achievement, calling it a turning point for the industry. For the workers at Austal Cebu, this is a dream come true. Their skills, once hidden behind foreign contracts, are now being celebrated. Horizon X is opening doors for more investments, more jobs, and more high-tech projects in the Philippines. Raising the Philippine flag on Horizon X is a statement. The nation is ready to lead in global shipbuilding, with talent and pride. The story of Horizon X is inspiring young Filipinos across the country. Students in engineering and maritime schools see new possibilities for their future. Shipbuilders in other cities now believe they too can take on the world's toughest challenges. Every Filipino who hears about Horizon X feels a surge of pride. It is proof that the Philippines can dream big and achieve more. The vessel is sparking conversations about training, technology, and how to grow the maritime industry. Parents are encouraging their children to think about careers in shipbuilding and engineering. The government and private sector are now working together to support more projects like Horizon X. Scholarships, training programs, and investments in technology are on the rise. The ferry story is even inspiring artists, writers, and filmmakers to tell more stories of Filipino excellence. Horizon X is more than a ship. It is a movement, one that brings hope, pride, and a sense of possibility to the whole nation. As Horizon X sails towards Sweden, it carries more than passengers and cargo. It carries the dreams and ambitions of a nation. The vessel is a symbol of what the future can look like when Filipinos are given the chance to lead and innovate. The world is watching, and the message is clear. The Philippines is ready to take its place among the leaders in high-tech industries. Horizon X proves that Filipino talent can meet and even beat the world's toughest standards. It shows that with teamwork, vision, and pride, nothing is impossible. The success of Horizon X is just the beginning. It opens the door for more partnerships, more green technology, and more world-class projects made in the Philippines. It inspires every Filipino to dream bigger and aim higher. In the end, Horizon X is not just a ship. It is a promise of a brighter, prouder, and more innovative future for the Philippines and its people.